So we have already discussed the parabola with vertex at 0, 0. Now we discuss the parabola with vertex out of 0, 0. Okay, so as you can see on the screen, we have the parabolas, pictures of parabolas. Again, it's just the same equation, but we have added HK, variable HK, on our equation. Actually, HK is not a variable, it's a constant number. Okay, so the same thing, vertex at HK, not 0, 0. So y minus k quantity square is equals to positive and negative 4a quantity x minus h. Goes along with h minus x minus h quantity square is equals to positive, negative 4a quantity y minus k. So, just the same lang po, meron lang tayo nag-add ng hk, which is the point. So, remember, if we have the exponent 2, this is the curve, and the other exponent variable x, which has one exponent, one represents a line. So, ganon din po kapag x and h. Remember lang po, x comes along with h and y comes along with k. Again, the positive and the negative sign are signs that tell us where the parabola opens. Okay, so to get a big picture of it, let's have some example. So our example graph, quantity y minus 1 quantity square is equals to negative 16 quantity x plus 3. Identify the vertex, axis of symmetry, focus, directrix, endpoints of the latus rectum. So sundan, okay, just follow the identifying where what is needed to be identified: vertex, axis of symmetry, then focus, directrix po. So first we have to muna yung vertex. Kahit mamaya na po yung vertex, axis of symmetry muna. It is important for us to know where our parabola opens. Okay. Ano po siya? Yan po. So, yan po ang ating equation. So, the same lang po siya sa equation ng y minus k quantity square is equals to negative 4a quantity x minus h. So, first, what is our axis of symmetry? So, ano po ang line na mag-open sa atin? So, it's either y po ba o either x? What is your answer? If you say y, you are wrong. Remember, y has the exponent 2. This is our curve. And if your answer is x, you are correct. Remember, this x has exponent 1 that represents a line. So, ang sagot natin, x-axis, x-line, the horizontal line. Okay? Next, where our parabola opens. So, is it positive or negative? So, since it's negative, it's going to the negative numbers. Means it's going to the left. Okay, so horizontal, pahiga, papunta tayo sa kaliwa. Okay, and next, we're going to get the length of our latus rectum. Okay, so what is your answer? Okay, so if your answer is negative 16, you are wrong. Because latus rectum is a length, haba, and we don't have negative haba. Okay? Gaano kahaba ang ating latus rectum? Distance. Okay? Again, I told you a while ago, the positive signs tell us where the parabola opens. So, you just get the number 16. Okay? So, ayan po. 4A is 16 in length or 16 steps. Okay? So, after getting the latus rectum, always follow to get the focus, the length of our focus. Okay? Which is A. So, length of focus is the length of our focus from the vertex. So, length natin ay 16, just divided by 4, para mawala po si 4. So, ang A natin is equals 4 in length. So, from vertex, 4 na steps. Okay? Just the same thing with the directrix. Okay? Vertex to focus, vertex to directrix, pareho lang po ng length. A, length. Tandaan po, yung positive and negative ay para lamang po sa direction. Okay? So, let's have the good picture of our parabola. So, again, ma'am, how to get the vertex, ma'am? So, you remember? So, x plus 3, equate it to 0. So, x plus 3 equals to 0. So, we remove 3 by transposing. Pag transpose, magiging negative. So, x is equals to negative 3. Yan po ay point. xy. xy point. So, dito po si x. Next po ay si y. y minus 1 equals to 0. So, lipat mo si negative 1, magiging positive. So, y is equals to 1. So, ayan po siya, 1. Siya po ay nasa point 3, negative 3, and 1. So, ito na po yung ating vertex. So, ayan po yung mga additional information. Latus rectum, focus. Okay, remember, kapag you have the focus, alam mo na rin po yung directrix. So, negative 3, 1 po ang ating vertex. At ang ang ating focus length ay 4 units from the vertex. So, bilang nga po, 1, 2, 3, 4. So, dito dapat yan. Yan. So, ang point niya is negative 7, 1. And then, ano po yung haba ng latus rectum? 16. Hatiin po natin. So, 16 divided by 2 is 8. Ibig sabihin, 8 from the focus up. 8 units from the focus down. So, bibilang tayo. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? Ito naman, ganun din po, pababa. So, ang ating focus, yan po, ang ating endpoints ng latus rectum. So, pag binilang nyo po yan, tagi 8 units po yan. Okay? So, ano naman po, ang nawawala ay yung directrix. Tandaan mo po, yung focus length, pareho lang po ng directrix length from the vertex. Okay? Kaya na po siya. So, ito po, ang directrix length is the same as focus length. So, from the vertex, bilang ko na naman ng 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, ito po siya. Tandaan, hindi po siya point. Nilagyan ko lang ng point para hindi kayo malito. Okay? Para matatandaan mo, nasa harapan na point, focus. Nasa likuran na point, directrix. So, yung point, palitan mo ng line. It's directrix. So, again, ang ating x ay nakatapat sa 1. And then, guhitan po natin. So, x, ang ating equation ng directrix is x is equals to 1. Okay po? And then, put the curve. Ayan po. So, buo na po ang ating parabola. Okay? So, pag-aralan mabuti at meron po kayong assignment. Salamat po.